So I want to stick a handmade aluminum bar shoe together. I've already made the bar shoe, sanded it, fit it to my pattern because once I want it to fit before I weld it. And I'm a little bit impatient, so I preheated this shoe in my forge just to get it up to temperature a little bit. And I'm brushing this with a stainless steel brush, which is very important. And as you can see, I've left a good gap there, and we're going to fill that gap with material, with the synergy stick material. Let me go ahead and block this up just to dam the material. And preheating it in the forge is just going to keep me from having to heat the whole shoe with this map torch. And basically for me, this just takes the guesswork out of forge welding aluminum shoes. I've done that before, I can do it. It's for me, it's not the easiest thing. It's a good thing to know how to do, but when I'm making a shoe for a horse, I want to make sure that I don't mess up at the very end. I think this is a pretty good way to do it. So we're just going to go ahead and get this shoe hot enough to accept this rod. And once we do, we're just going to begin filling let that go all the way to the bottom. I'm going to let that set up, and it should just need to clean it up and polish it up a little bit, and it should be ready to go. So I've gone ahead and finished up the shoe, got it cleaned up, polish it up, make it look nice. But see, that's the weld there. It's strong. It's all the way through. And I think it'll be pretty serviceable, and I won't need to worry about my forge weld failing.